like we did with this gentleman here. They will say no problem. These red sirens at that point, a buzzer will go off and the red sirens will go off. That means the whole place is on shutdown until we're done, okay? Meaning until they're back uprange. The reason that's allowable, they're further downrange than we are. We can be on ceasefire, they can continue to shoot because we're further up than they are, okay? It's just a safety precaution for everybody. We have baffle systems here to keep wayward bullets from going up. We've got bins, we've got everything secured. Now it's down to you. So you guys bring that last ingredient to the table. Everybody ready? Let's have some fun. All right, Kevin is going to take half of you. I'll take the other half. Okay. Do me a favor, if you need here, we're grab a set out of here. We'll just pass the bag around, so make sure everybody gets it. It'll be necessary for y'all to be able to load the magazine, fire the firearm, and then unload it for the semi-automatic. For the revolver, again, standard clearing, loading, and firing. Yeah, I got plenty. Have a load full cylinder. Just have a shoot 5 minutes. You're welcome. Thank you. Which ones did you take? You've got the M&P 22 and you've got a Taurus over there?
Alright, M&P 22 Taurus.
Beautiful. That's what I got over here. All right. Let's get some eyes on people. Does everybody have their ears?
Good to go.
Hang on, many guys. Got them? Got them?
You have an extra set of clip?
Should I give it to Dan?